Alright, today I'm going to be showing y'all how to separate or take off the glass. This will be applied to all phones, which require the same process. I will be using two plastic razor blades and two small miniature razor blades, which are kind of slanted, whatever they call, and a blow dryer, women's blow dryer. The key is you want to keep it heated up. First, I will start off by using these two to get up in here. You have to be careful because you have ribbons. So let the process begin. I'm going to be doing this at about 160 degrees. This is a working LCD.
We've seen worse since he's been back. There's nothing else cross-referenced, no other crimes tied to this?
No, nothing I can find. I mean, certainly nothing with these signature elements.
Okay, so it's a double homicide, yes, but a single occurrence with no apparent issue of state lines. Was there a request from the local authorities for the FBI's help?
I don't think so.
So then why is this a BAU case?
I don't think it was.
I'm going to keep applying heat until I get this whole front separated down to where I can run my plastic razor blades.
Okay, I will find it.
All right, I'll check back with you in.
And sir, there's something else that you should know.
Agents Prentice and Morgan
Found your office in disarray.
this morning.
So?
Well,
They're concerned about you.
Well, tell them not to be.
Yeah, so that's the thing.
see, I'm sorry.
You told them about this case?
Yeah,
We're all
Go
worried
real
about
slow and be real gentle. Take your time. I'm pretty sure you don't want to have to try to attempt this and then have to replace or buy a whole new screen.
They're going to see you.
They're coming here? I don't need anybody.
So let's apply some more heat.
You gotta show me a picture. I don't know the names. Is that what this is all about? Some chance to relive all of this?
I had an excellent memory. I thought you wanted to hear the truth. Truth is, they meant nothing to me. They were toys, a diversion, and from the moment I decided to kill them, they were dead. They begged, they cried, they bargained.
Everybody
It
on
didn't
Facebook
matter
started that.
because they didn't matter. Sometimes I wish I was normal, that I'd had a regular life. But I didn't.
Why did you ask us here?
I wanted to smell the air.
What?
They got me on death watch. 24 hours a day, I station.
Alright, we're gonna continue to make our way down.
For at least 13 minutes. And it took me less than 5 to do this.
Now, on Wednesdays, the ladies are taking it off.
Oh my God!
She wants the piggy off her back. And she's gonna get something off her chest.
You did not. It certainly wasn't her breast decision. God, we're idiots. We are.
That ain't now on Wednesday at 10:30 following an all-new Duck Dynasty.
You bring your disrespectful child to me. I'll take care of him. I've been in prison for a long time. Remember you. Please, change your lives.
Oh, whatever you need.
The Unscared Straight. New season. Thursday at 10.
Alright, let's apply more heat. Currently, I am doing this at about 169 degrees Fahrenheit. The key is if you keep the screen heated up, the glue will separate without too many problems. Just have to be patient and take your time.
And now, love it or your money back. Fresh and light. Lightweight works great.
Some of the most respected companies in America hired ITT Tech grads within the last 12 months.
As a high-tech company, NTSG looks for candidates with a foundation in communications networks. We've had a tremendous amount of success hiring ITT Tech grads. They're very up-to-date. That enables them to grow with the technology.
Now I'm going to try to slide my razor blades up in here.
Lifetime Service Center is a national depot repair service center. ITT Tech allowed our company to expand to other areas in the country. We used the local schools there. We knew we would have a pool of qualified technicians.
At ITT Tech, we're committed to helping our graduates develop the skills and knowledge they
Alright, now let's reheat the screen and continue the process. Just gently slide down.
See a different side.
Just gently.
While you were doing your research, maybe a question
From side to side.
security tones would have been a good idea.
I heard the tones.
So you plan to be locked inside with me, with no guns or weapons.
I will need a gun.
There's no
Just
way
gently.
we can execute on next week.
Stay on both sides.
Kill 2 FBI agents. You saved my
I could go down another probably half an inch, but I'm gonna apply more heat just to be safe that I don't crack the LCD. Let's continue the process.
You're buying, I'm drinking.
I don't think any of us could afford this place otherwise.
Yeah, I know I can't.
Go home.
We thought you might need some help.
You're wrong.
Come on now,
Just
Russ.
take your time and go slow.
Cross some theories off us. Fresh eyes can't hurt.
This process will go as smooth
Maybe not yet.
as you
but
putting on baby
I can
lotion.
be a case if I want to. It's about paperwork, and I know the paperwork.
Now at the bottom right here,
Why do you care?
the ribbon, home ribbon, the back
Because you do.
and menu ribbon, it's kind of glued up there pretty tight. So you're gonna have to apply probably more heat
The things I did.
before you decide to try to
Your mother's bipolar.
take it off.
And almost certainly an undifferentiated schizophrenic. Your father suffered severe shell shock in the war, what we now refer to as post-traumatic stress disorder. As far as I can tell, he remained completely depressed
Alright.
the rest of his life.
Now we're gonna apply heat right here just to make sure we can get the ribbon off without breaking it.
Hypothalamus never learned control. It still operates on that. Pre-records indicate that you display the symptoms of satyriasis. You're obsessed with sex and love are cross-wired with pain. Additionally, your hypothalamus won't allow you to stop seeking the desires that it wants.
Don't forget that you're gonna have to save this piece to put in your new glass replacement.
Desires that you have.
It's the
It's by making a partner compliantly sure that
earpiece.
exactly what you want them to do. And you ensure that by killing them. Earlier, you said your victims never had a chance. I think you know deep down,
Just apply a little bit more heat.
really never had a chance.
It was pretty short work. Guy wasn't gonna win the IQ contest.
You might have to stick something in here to kind of pry it away
Collared him.
from
Detective was driving me to the
the
airport.
glass that's broken.
Here's a call on his walkie of kids screaming in a house not far from where we were. He asked if I mind taking the job in with him. We were first on the scene. Inside we found
A mess.
the axe had been left behind, but it had been wiped clean. Turns out it belonged to the family. The oldest daughter, Connie, told me her father bought it on Christmas Eve a few months earlier.
You have to be real careful when you're taking this out. I'm actually gonna replace this with a new ribbon anyway. That's why I'm not caring too much about it.
Associate the whole thing with
But
Christmas.
as you can see, it's separated.
Never been able to put a
Glass in one piece, and this glass wasn't even cracked. I had planned on changing it anyway,
The kids at home?
change it white.
not physical.
But as you can see,
You would have known that the kids were
the glass is complete, no cracks
Okay, so
anywhere. I'm 110% that it's worked. This is like my 20th
says that makes them just
Galaxy Note 2, and I have never had any problems with them.
There was a fingerprint.
But it was behind the bedroom door.
This excess glue that you have out here, the remainder that you have, you could just pick it away with your fingernails. But if you ever run into a problem where the glue is stuck to the LCD, you could use this UV adhesive glue 3M removal. You know, it'll get it right off. It comes in a bottle like this.
Not a match anymore.
But there you go. Just get it together.
Been over this a million
I use UV bonding glue to adhesive the screen back and a UV light secure it. And if you check back with me in a couple of days, I will be showing a demonstration on how to do that. And thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Said you